Hi guys. Let's see how to open Microsoft Edge with a keyboard shortcut in Windows 10 PC. Use of Microsoft Edge has increased. Did you know there is a keyboard shortcut to launch the Microsoft Edge browser? Why not make quick shortcuts for the programs you have installed on your Windows PC and use the keyboard to access them? Exactly way you can open the Task Manager by pressing CTRL plus ALT plus Del or Windows Explorer by pressing Windows key plus E. Windows 10 enables you to accomplish this. Just make sure, if you haven't already, that the new Microsoft Edge browser is set up on your computer before you begin. Once the browser is set up, the Microsoft Edge shortcut will appear on your desktop. Right-click on the Microsoft Edge desktop shortcut and click on Properties at the bottom. Click on the Shortcut tab as shown in the image below and go to the Shortcut Key text box. You will notice there's no shortcut key assigned for Edge. Assign a shortcut by pressing any key you wish to on the keyboard. By default the CTRL plus ALT will be a prefix for the shortcut key you selected. For instance, if you choose E as the shortcut, you will need to press CTRL plus ALT plus E to launch the Edge browser. Click Apply and OK to save it. Now you can launch Microsoft Edge using the keyboard shortcut that you have just assigned. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.